Hello students, we are continuing with the same chapter, that is family value. Okay, so here some dialogues are given. Read the dialogues given below, discuss the problem stated and its solution. See here what the boy is saying. Our teachers taking us to see a fort. It will be a lot of fun, but let us not include Savita and Samir in our group. Savita talks too much and Samir is always playing pranks. Okay, that boy is complaining about his two friends. Now, what the girl said? So what? Savita sings well. Samir tells joke. Let's talk to them. They will understand. Let's not leave them out. Okay, the girls see, the girl is saying that's true, I didn't think of that. Let us prepare for the trip. They all together preparing for the trip. Yes, Gayatri is right. Let us learn new songs from Savita. Savita is good in singing songs, so let us learn from her how to sing, and new jokes from Samir, and even we can learn from Samir how to crack a jokes. Okay, so this is how to tolerate each other, how to respect each other. That is important, that is being said here. Tolerance is respecting opinions of others which are different from our own opinion. We suppose to accept the others differences. Okay, we have to accept the others differences. Now here see tolerance. Tolerance, we all have some faults. Okay, we all have something, negativity or faults. Okay, we may also wrong. We can improve on these faults with the help of our family and friends. Who will help for that? Family and friends. We may not agree with each other every time. Sometimes there are disagreements even between friends. Okay, we are not agreeing with each other, but we have to respect each other's opinion. Okay, at such times we must try to understand the point of view of others instead of insisting that only our point of view is correct. We should not think only that our point of view is correct. Even others may be correct on their side, and even we should think on that. On such occasions we must listen to the other person. In this way we learn to be tolerant. It is known as tolerant. Respecting opinion which are different from our own is called tolerance or broad mindedness. Okay, we should respect others, we should respect their opinions, we should take their opinions also. Okay, now, students, is everyone who doesn't think like me is a wrong person? No, respecting people and their opinion, a respect for their color, caste, religion, gender, age, or any other physical quality is called tolerance. Okay, so tolerance has a special significance in our country. People from various religions, creeds, culture, and following different customs like live here. Okay, that is why it is necessary for everyone to be tolerant or broad minded. Okay, diversity can be preserved through tolerance. What is diversity? Diversity means understanding that each individual is unique. We have to understand that each individual is unique. Diversity enriches our social life. Okay, it encourages us to think about others with concern. We should even think about others point of view, what they want, what they are thinking. We can solve problem in our environment by being broad minded. Okay, we should be broad minded always. Now our next point is gender equality. What is gender equality? Here This is the next topic, and it is very important, students, that is gender equality. Gender equality means not to discriminate between boys, that is men, and girls, that is women, and give them equal treatment. Okay, boys and girls should respect each other. Okay, now what is given here? Boys and girls or men and women are equal as human beings. Considering boys and girls to be equal without discrimination is called gender equality. Okay, what is gender equality? We have to you can mark this answer. See, considering boys and girls to be equal without discrimination is called gender equality. Now, boys and girls must respect one another. In the company of our friends, we consider all of them to be our equals. Okay, now in our friend group, we consider all the boy and girls, we should consider everyone as equals. We must maintain this sense of equality as citizen when we grow up. By developing this sense of equality, everyone gets to learn and make progress. Okay, everyone will make progress in this. Okay, that we should consider equally as a girl and as a boy. Okay, now basic needs of everyone's must be fulfilled. That is, what is the basic needs of the of everyone? That is what? Food, clothing, shelter, health, and education. These are the basic needs, are the common needs of men and women. They should get everyone. Okay, as a man, as a woman, they should get this equal basic needs, equally they should need it. Okay, then for the purpose of equality, each of these needs must be fulfilled properly. Men and women have equal rights to facilities such as these. Similarly, men and women must get equal opportunities of progress. Okay, prepare slogans on gender equality. You can prepare these slogans on gender equality, and you can write it in your notebook. Okay, so what do we learn? See, what do we learn today? Everyone in the family must have a say in decision making. Means everyone can take a decision. Then second point, we must be honest in our private and public life. We must be honest, I said you. Then tolerance and cooperation make our community life harmonious and peaceful. We should be cooperate with each other, we should tolerate with each other. Okay, a tolerant attitude makes it easy to preserve diversity. Okay, men and women are equal. It is not right to discriminate between them. We should not discriminate between men and women. They are equal. Okay, thank you, students.